What you can also do in Dropbox is easily create numbered lists and checklists. So let's see how to do exactly that. So to create a numbered list, it's quite easy. You can actually press one dot and space, and then it becomes a numbered list. So you can say something like this. I'm going to say Adobe Acrobat right over here. I'm just going to go around, say Adobe Photoshop right over here, and Adobe After Effects. So you can see that this is a numbered list, as you can see right here. If you want to indent it further, you can just go over here onto number 4 and hit tab, and that brings up a sublist, as you can see right over here as well. So that is how you can control. And you can add in subcategories over here. So in my case, I'm just going to say Red Giant right over here, which is an After Effects plugin. So now what I'm going to do is see its options. So you can see over here that there's different options. So there's start bulleted list right over here. So once you click over here, you can see that this is how it actually looks like. And if you were to click again, then the list actually goes out. You can go over here again, and that is how you can work around with that. You can see that you can pull this out right over here. So this is a numbered list. So you can actually go around and pull this out onto the top. You can rearrange that out, as you can see right over here as well. So this is actually very, very interactive as well. So you can go over here, and this is the numbered list that you have been working with. So you can also go over here, and there's the start bulleted list and start numbered list right over here, as you can see. So you can click on either one of these to start the numbered or bulleted list as well. You can also alternatively convert this into a checkbox right over here. So if I were to click this, you can see that this is an interactive checkbox now, which can be ticked off right over here. So you can see right over here that it has been striked out as well. So it's easy to create a to-do list as well by using Dropbox Paper, just like this. To easily create a to-do list, you can use an open bracket and a close last bracket right over here, and it becomes a to-do list right over here, as you can see. So you can say something like download and install After Effects, just like this, and this is a to-do list, as you can see right over here. So you can check this off, and that is how you can create a numbered and a bullet list as well as to-do list inside of Dropbox Paper. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.